The Dow rises 212 points. My name's D7 here at Grok. Trade. It's Thursday, February 25th, 2016, and the markets go bullish. Taking a look here at the markets, you'll see that all major indices up quite a bit, with the Spider and Dow over 1%. Banks up more than 1%. And financials up 1.4%. Crude oil up 2.4%. And precious metals mixed again, and VIX down more than 3%. Take a look here at the S&P 500. Had a big pop. We gapped higher and then started showing weakness beginning of the day, and then by the day's end, closing at the day's high, busting through some resistance areas, including the falling 50-day moving average. So it's very, very bullish move here on mediocre volume. If I look at the diamonds or the Dow, same thing, big boom to the upside. So I'm going to get rid of this because we started to drop. Now we're heading back higher. But we did break two areas of resistance above the 50-day moving average, and we're closing at the day's high. Again, mediocre volume. On the NASDAQ, we busted through resistance, but we have not got past the 50-day moving average yet. But we are through resistance areas. Still volume, not the greatest. Russell's up through a resistance part here, and I'm going to show you something on banks though. Here are the banks. The banks popped but did not get past resistance area. So the banks are at a resistance area. Something to watch for. So are the financials. Financials, we have resistance. We're at a resistance point. The question is, can we bust through that, or will this lead the markets, meaning that we'll hit its head and drop, and then the markets will follow. Crude oil still higher. Last couple of sessions have gone up on crude oil. Silver, big gap down, but we're at a support level coming across right here. I'm just hanging out. Very crucial area, but overall in the big picture, this is a bullish setup. Gold busted out on top, but remaining above a support line, so that's pretty good as long as we can remain above that. In VIX, I want to show you something on VIX. VIX has a support line here, support coming across support. We just broke below this, so the VIX, or fear, broke support, and if the fear starts to drop, that means the markets will get really, really bullish. Thing that I'm watching for, if I go to a weekly chart on the S&P 500, we have a lot of upside potential here. This next week could be very bullish, but I see major resistance. If we can get there, it's going to be a great area to short the markets on the long term. We're heading higher on very, very little volume right now. There you have it. Hey, just a reminder, I want you to ask yourself this one question. What would it mean to you in your trading if you allowed us to be your mentors? If you like it, like it.